Do you ever feel like you're just scratching the surface on what you can do on your iPad with Procreate? Maybe you have imagined digging deeper, creating custom brushes, designing repeating patterns, and unlocking advanced tools. Well, you're in the right place. This is Kickstart Your Creativity with Procreate Volume 2, where your next creative chapter begins. Whether you want to grow your skills or rekindle your creativity, this course will guide you through creating art that you're excited about, while fostering a creative habit that you can fit into your life. In this 4-week course, you'll complete 20 approachable mini tutorials, covering inspiring themes like weather, clothing, flowers, even people and characters. Each of the lessons is just 15 to 25 minutes, perfect for fitting into your busy schedule while building your skills step by step. Work through them at your own pace and learn faster ways to color and smarter ways to sketch. Techniques for learning visual composition, hand lettering, and developing your artistic style by adding personal touches. Learn how to make the most out of Procreate's creative tools, like blend modes, adjustments, color palettes, symmetry, even animation. And you'll also learn how to customize and create your own Procreate brushes, opening up a whole world of creative possibilities. As a student, you'll get exclusive resources to help you along the way. First is the Kickstart Course Progress Tracker to keep you motivated and visually celebrate your growth. The Progress Tracker is a student favorite, and it's such a thrill to watch it fill up with artwork as you work your way through the lessons. You'll also get a curated collection of some of my premium Procreate brushes from Bardo Brush to use in the lessons. Plus, you'll get texture overlays, inspiration sheets, and reference photos to learn new techniques. Kickstart 2 builds on the foundation of my most popular course, Kickstart Your Creativity with Procreate, which has helped tens of thousands of students build creative confidence and transform their approach to digital art. Volume 2 continues this journey with fresh themes and advanced techniques to expand your skills and keep your creative practice thriving. If you're new to Kickstart Your Creativity, I recommend starting with Volume 1 first. It's the perfect introduction and it will set you up to dive into Volume 2 with confidence. Together, these two courses provide 8 full weeks of guided lessons to help you establish your creative practice and master Procreate. By the way, hi, I'm Lisa Bardot, an artist, teacher, and Procreate expert passionate about helping people find joy in drawing on the iPad. I've had the chance to connect with millions of artists through my YouTube channel, courses, and the premium Procreate brushes I design. I'm also the author of Drawing Digital, a best-selling how-to guide about drawing on the iPad. I lead art retreats abroad to help artists push their creative boundaries. And I run an ongoing drawing challenge, providing daily prompts and guidance to help artists conquer their creative fears and nurture their art practice. This course brings together years of experience helping artists grow, combining practical Procreate skills with simple strategies that help you build a creative routine that sticks. Along with the drawing lessons, I'll also be providing tips to strengthen your creative practice, like tapping into your creative flow, staying consistent, and making reflection a key part of the process. We'll take time to pause, look back on what we've created, and celebrate progress along the way. So, if you're ready to expand your skills, explore new techniques, and create art you're proud of, Kickstart Your Creativity Volume 2 is the perfect next step. Grab your iPad, open Procreate, and let's get started. I can't wait to see what you create.